My house has a state-of-the-art defense system.
Hoot hoot! Password, please! Oh!
We got no time for this, Hooty. Let us in.
All right, jeez! You never want to have any fun! Ow! Hoot! Hi, Luz! Ow! I'm just wishing you a good morning! Jeez! Hoot! Ow! Hoot! If you want the answer that you seek, solve my riddle within a week! Ow! Okay! She went to the forest towards Bonesborough! Sheesh!
Boiling rains, remember?
No, let her try. It'll be funny. Hey, you want to hear about my night?
No!
That's not a thing anyone ever wants.
No is. You taught me, and I turned out just fine.
I gotta get that girl into school.
I can get a little territorial.
Hooty's been talking to those drawings of us for like 7 hours.
That's the magic of drawing with good proportions. It makes things look real.
Wait a minute. Who are you? I'm freaking out! Hooray! Finally, someone to listen to my stories. Okay, one time a sparrow flew into my mouth, and then Hey!
Or do I?
Yep. It's your faithful pal Hooty reporting for duty. Up at dawn, taking orders all day long.
No, you are too desperate.
Freeloaders, guess what today is?
Is it your birthday?
Is it my birthday?
It's my birthday.
No!
I love you guys.
And I love you, Luke. Guess who found a special friend in the forest? It was me.
Lilith.
Edelin.
Hooty!
Scram, Hooty.
Okay.